So, Reptile. I've been playing him for a little bit. I really enjoy the way you have to play with him. I particularly look out for like I whiff punish a lot, especially with his back three. It's really good. But yeah, I've been having fun. I've been playing a lot of ranked with him. I've been maining him recently, and so here are just a few games that I've enjoyed playing with him. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button. If you guys enjoy the content on my channel, please hit that sub button. And without further ado, let's get it.
Round one.
Okay.
Fight.
This is Shao. I don't think I have problems with like Shaos that like to zone, bro. Nice. Oh wow. I just grabbed you here. Take advantage of that every day. Take advantage of that every day. Okay, so he's accustomed to the 1-2. Hit that. Wow, I need to watch that wake up. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, I'll take that every day.
Round two.
We take those every day. Okay. Nice. Wow. He's tired of me full punishing him. I'm full punish here because he can't break it. Boom, 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 boom. I still drop. Capitalize on that every day. Wow, nice. That is unsafe as fuck. Oh my god, I did the 1-1-4, but it didn't come out. Oh, he's using Johnny Cage. He's using Johnny Cage. I'm honestly not surprised. If you're a smoke player, of course you're gonna play Johnny Cage, right? The most broken characters in the game. Like, of course you're gonna use them. Easy with. Not gonna go crazy. Just gonna do something. Light little combo. See if he breaks from this. Doesn't. Does he even know how to break? Like, ooh, good duck. I have to take this. We love the Johnny Cage shit. Okay, so I think you can punish that overhead he does. There you go. God. Get combo. You really just tried to down to me? That's crazy. I'm whiff punishing you this whole game and you over here trying to down two. Like, bro, I'm whiff punishing you, bro. I'm obviously not gonna be there for that down two. I was like, I wasn't even in the proper range to really punish that, I don't think. Good overhead, but I'm breaking away from that instantly. I should have grabbed him. That's an overhead. Idiot. We discovered this with the last Johnny Cage. Okay. Let's use my tail if you want to see it. Boom! 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 I can't. GG's.
We'll recapture Shang Tsung together
before he can hurt anyone else.
Sucks fighting Baracus. see how he plays. Overhead, better advantage of. Yep, take advantage of that. Wow, he's just letting all that happen to him. We'll take that. We take those.
Round 2.
We take those. Okay. Nice. Shall I? Oh, never mind. What? Nice, nice. There we go. We're just gonna go for big damage here. Wait! I'm gonna just grab him. It didn't even come out. Like, what the fuck? Oh. Overhead. Wow. Get off me. Wow, good job. Why would he do that there?
Final round. Fight.
Drop down. Okay, I'm gonna try and go for big damage here. Love the 39%. Okay. This nigga serious? No. Yep. Big damage. I dropped it.
Finish him.
Okay, how do you do the fucking brutal? Oh my god. I never have time to check it.